In this video, we're going to divide 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says divide 76 divided by 50. So let's review what each of these numbers represents or what it means. This is the dividend. This is what is being divided. And this is the divisor. We're dividing by this number. That's what divisor means. So if we look at it this way, which is how we're going to rewrite this in a second, the divisor goes here, the dividend goes here, and the quotient is the answer. Okay, so we're going to be dividing this number by this number. It's the divisor. Okay, so now let's rewrite the problem. So here we are. Here's 50, which is the divisor. Here's 76, which is the dividend. Okay, so we rewrote the problem. Now, we look at 50. How many times does 50 fit into 7? Well, it doesn't fit. So we need to go to the next place value and look at 76 in its entirety. Okay, so 50 fits into 76 once. We know that 2 times 50 is 100, so twice is too many. So we know that 50 fits into 76 once. So let's put that in. And let me go to my, okay, so 76 fits, 50 fits into 76 once. So the next thing to do is put the 1 on top of the dividing bar above the 6 and 76. So we did that. We put it on top of here because we're dividing this whole number, not just the 7. Okay? So now the next thing is multiply 50 by 1. So 50 times 1 is 50, and we put 50 here. Then the next thing to do is we subtract 76 minus 50. So let's do that. We just subtract now, and we'll put the line here, and we put a subtraction. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Whoopsie. 6 minus 0 is 6, and then 7 minus 5 is 2. So our remainder is 26. And that's how you do that entire problem. So the steps are always the same. So you divide first. Then you multiply, then you subtract, and this is your remainder. Okay, so don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine in the description that are similar to this, so you could use those as extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. You could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.